Welcome to the channel Care Cure. If you are the person who is struggling for weight loss, then this video is exactly for you. Every person desires a good healthy body and an active body. And for that people do a lots of struggle and try many things. As we know, weight loss is a combination of balanced diet and a good workout. Exercise, yoga, balanced diet are very crucial and indispensable for weight loss. But other than that, I am going to tell you that 2 important morning drinks which will definitely help you in reducing some kilos. So the very first drink is aloe vera lemon drink. Aloe vera is a natural ingredient which helps in reducing some weight loss. The properties of aloe vera is very versatile. Aloe vera has a detoxifying properties which helps in cleanse the body. It is antibacterial, it is antioxidant, and it reduces constipation, improves skin and makes skin glowy. So to make an aloe vera drink, you need to take a glass of water and add some aloe vera juice, aloe vera gel, add some aloe vera gel in water. Put water in pan and heat it and stir it until the aloe vera gel blends in water. Blend it properly. Juice in it. Mix it properly and aloe vera drink is ready. Make sure you consult a doctor before consumption to avoid any complications. Now the second drink is chia seeds and lemon drink. It is also very good for weight loss. For this you have to take a glass of warm water and add 2 spoons of chia seeds in it. Mix it well and take it. Very good for health. Chia seeds having properties that it is low in carbs and high in fibers, which ultimately helps you in reducing some kilos. Properties of weight loss. It increases your metabolism and satiety. It also helps in burning calories and makes you hydrated for a long time. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell notification bell.